Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that can help prevent your SSH session from timing out when you're away from your keyboard. But before we get to the fix, let's take a quick look at why this happens in the first place. When you're connected to a Linux VPS through SSH, your connection can sometimes be closed automatically if it sits idle for too long. This usually happens because your computer, network, or server thinks the connection is inactive. The solution is to adjust your SSH Keep Alive settings, so your connection does not appear completely idle. To do that, first log into your Linux VPS using SSH. As you can see, I am already logged into mine. Now type the command shown on your screen. This command opens the SSH server configuration file in a text editor called Nano using administrator permissions. If you need a moment, go ahead and pause the video and type it exactly as shown. Once you have finished typing, press Enter to execute the command. If you're prompted for your sudo password, type in your VPS password and press Enter again. You should now be inside the SSH server configuration file. Scroll to the bottom and add the 2 lines you see on your screen. The first line tells the server to check the SSH connection every 60 seconds. The second line tells it to wait for 3 missed responses before closing the connection. Together, these settings mean the server will wait for 3 minutes before deciding the connection is no longer responding. That's because it would perform a check every 1 minute and allow 3 missed checks before disconnecting. If you'd like the connection to stay active for longer periods, you can increase either value. For example, setting client alive interval to 120 would make the server check the connection every 2 minutes instead of every 60 seconds. Likewise, setting client alive count max to 5 would allow 5 missed responses before the server closes the connection. If you increased both values, the server could wait up to about 10 minutes before ending the session, since it would send a keep alive every 2 minutes and allow up to 5 of them to go unanswered. Once you've added the lines, it's time to save the file. Press Ctrl+O and then press Enter to confirm. To exit Nano, press Ctrl+X. In a moment, I'll show you how to activate these changes so your future SSH sessions start using them right away. But first, I have something exciting to share with you. If you ever need a fast and reliable VPS for your projects, you can always check out our website, rdparena.com. And since you've stayed with me this far in the video, I wanted to give you something special, a flat 30% discount on your first purchase. Just enter the code 30YAY during checkout to grab your discount. Don't wait too long though. Availability is limited and this offer won't last forever. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's activate the new settings. Type the command shown on your screen and press Enter. This tells the SSH service to reload its configuration and start using the new settings immediately. If the command returns an error, your server may be using SSHD instead of SSH as the service name. If that's the case, simply replace SSH with SSHD and run the command again. Now, since you're already connected through SSH, your current session may not use the new settings because it was opened before these changes were made. To make sure everything is working properly, disconnect from your current SSH session and then log back into your Linux VPS. Once you reconnect, the updated settings will be applied automatically. And that's all for today's video.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.